What's your emergency?
Hi, I've got a woman at the part in Frangela. I've ordered a cab, but I'm just trying to
Okay. Is she safe right now?
Yeah, for now. She's in the lady, but the guy she's with, like, he's pacing, he keeps rubbing at her, scratching her neck, and it looks fresh.
Okay, and can you describe him for me?
Mid-40s, white guy, grey hair, sunburned, maybe 5'10", 5'11", deep starting out on the right side with that.
Okay, I'll log the call, but as he hasn't committed any crime other than being a bit shady, there's not much we can do at the moment.
Seriously, look, this girl seems pretty shaken up.
Okay, but look, that's a pretty generic description. We ideally need a name or any other identifying characteristics that could flag in our system. Other than that, we can't send anyone out over a gut feeling. Does he have any tattoos, scars, anything